Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. I'm so excited that you're here today because there's something that I've been working on behind the scenes and I just can't wait to share it with you. So if you have followed me for a while, you know how much I love helping people live with less and love it more. You know that clearing that clutter, letting go of all of that stuff that weighs you down, will help you make room for the life that really matters to you. So I'm thrilled to announce that I have a brand new Letting Go Workbook. This just isn't any old workbook. It's about a step-by-step companion that for finally letting go of the things that are keeping you stuck, whether it's the physical clutter, the mental clutter, or the emotional clutter. So inside, you're going to find 10 heart-centered decluttering methods, plus 3 bonuses, including my signature Decluttering by Heart decluttering method. And there are worksheets, there's journal prompts, there's checklists. All of this is designed to guide you gently but powerfully toward a home and a life that feels lighter, freer, and more intentional. So here's the thing. Decluttering can be very overwhelming. You might have tried before and gotten stuck or felt guilty about letting go. This workbook changes that. It gives you practical, actionable steps, and it combines them with heart-centered emotional guidance and that we all need to really release what no longer serves you. So whether you're downsizing, simplifying your life, or just craving a fresh start, this workbook meets you exactly where you are, and it helps you move forward without the stress, without the judgment, and without guilt. So I'm excited for you to start this journey with me. Imagine opening a drawer, a closet, or even your heart and feeling lighter, freer, and also having more space and also more peace. That's exactly what the Letting Go Workbook is designed to do. So you can grab a copy and start your first session right away. And the best part, each step is designed to fit your life and your personality, even if you only have 5 minutes a day. So if you're ready to live with less and love it more, this workbook is actually for you. I can't wait for you to try it. I can't wait to hear about the space, the clarity, and the freedom that it brings to your life. So thanks so much for letting me share this with you today. So go ahead and get your workbook. You can grab it here. And let's get started on this journey together because you deserve a life that feels lighter, brighter, and fully yours. So I'll see you inside.